Hi, Pete Maduri here, main driver for the Dynabrade race team, Maduri Motorsports. We are a family-owned and operated drag racing team based out of Buffalo, New York. We travel the country, focusing in on the NHRA circuit and the PBRA circuit. This year, the Dynabrade race team will feature 4 race cars competing in 4 different classes. We have a brand new dragster powered by a 638 cubic inch big block Chevy, making 1,500 horsepower with nitrous. Our 1993 S10 Pro Stock style truck powered by a 582 cubic inch big block Chevy. And our new 1985 Chevy Monza powered by a 538 cubic inch big block Chevy. In addition to that, we have our Corvette Roadster, which is powered by a 496 cubic inch engine, making about 700 horsepower. We had a little mishap at the end of the 2018 drag racing season with the S10 Dynabrade truck. We were on a cold track, the conditions were not optimal. The truck, making the amount of raw horsepower it does, actually went into severe tire shake, unhinging the passenger side door and causing excessive damage to both the door and the quarter panel. Tire shake is when the racing slick stops making uniform contact with the racing surface, causing it to rattle and vibrate excessively. Today we are at Fred's Collision in Niagara Falls, New York, a family-owned and operated collision shop in business for over 60 years. They are known for the absolute best work in the Northeast when it comes to any collision work, as well as custom car restoration. We are working with the owners, Bobby and Fred Vitagliano, on fixing the Dynabrade S10 truck. The Nitro Series reciprocating saw, model RS1, a versatile tool used for cutting sheet metal, piping, and plastic panels. Straight, accurate cuts are achievable thanks to the lightweight and easy to maneuver saw. Our Nitro Series straight line die grinders, available in both 0.3 and 0.5 horsepower, they feature a thermoplastic rubber tool grip, reducing cold air transmission and absorbing vibration. Our Dynabrade Nitro Series 2-inch diameter right angle disc sander, ideal for quick weld removal, deburring and deflashing, surface conditioning, and paint removal. Our Dynabrade Nitro Series Nitro Zip, excellent power for effectively removing seam sealer and paint, also excellent for removing 2-sided adhesive molding tape and decal material with the use of our rubber eraser wheel. Dynabrade Nitro Series 3-inch extended buffer. Compact and lightweight, the Dynabrade Nitro Series extended buffer is perfect for use in tight areas or contoured painted surfaces like side view mirrors. Our 6-inch Spirit random orbital sander is the lightest weight random orbital sander on the market, weighing in at just 1.5 pounds. Our brand new Extreme random orbital sander has the best power to weight ratio in the industry, a full 0.3 horsepower at just 1.8 pounds. The Mini Raptor Vac Pro Pack, as shown in this application, provides technicians with a complete package for all their sanding, storage, and mobility needs. Utilizing this dust capture system ensures a clean environment and eliminates the migration of dust to critical paint prep and finish areas. Also, be aware, our compact immersion separators and other Division I vacuums are test laboratory approved for the collection of aluminum and metal dust as required by certified repair shops. Be sure to follow our Facebook page, Dynabrade Race Team, Maduri Motorsports, and watch this exciting 2019 season unfold. And remember, the perfect finish begins and ends with Dynabrade.